Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a decent minimal WordPress website theme, right? So its name is like CEZAN and it will cost you around $60 or something like that. We will figure it out how we can get this theme for a very affordable price. If you just want to test and try it out that how this particular themes work out. So if you can see the functionalities and the demo content which they provide as totally minimal, which is like classic looking website. So let me show you how you can get this theme for a really affordable price. You just have to come to our website where you will get this theme as a general public license for like $10. Okay, you just have to come here and click on download. The download process totally depend upon your internet speed. Once it is started download, just wait for it. I will just cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So once you have the download file up and running on your system, you have to install the theme on your WordPress website, right? So hover to your WordPress website. This is a very fresh website I just installed on my local host. Pretty good website, right? Simple, sweet website. We have to install this that theme on our website. So first of all, you have to log into your dashboard. So if you don't know how to log into your dashboard, it's pretty simple. You have to enter WP admin just after a URL, just after your domain name, like this, WP admin, and you will be asked your user ID password once you logged for the first time. Enter the user ID password which you entered while installing the WordPress website. Once you are logged into your dashboard, you will see some interface, something similar like this. Okay, on the left hand side you will see everything related to your website settings and pagination or media section. We will figure it out that later. For right now, this moment, we have to install that theme on our WordPress website. So pretty basic thing. On the left hand side you will see appearance. Just hover your mouse to that, and under that you will find themes. Click on themes. Okay, we have to add a new theme. I will click on add new, and here you can see there are multiple themes. What are these themes? These are free themes which has been provided by WordPress. There are way more difference between free themes and paid theme, premium themes, because free themes don't have that much of flexibility when it comes to design, right? You cannot design free themes. Most of the free themes for mobile perspective, and most of the free themes are not good for AdSense as well, for the conversion rate if I'm talking about it. So we will just upload our premium theme which we have downloaded from our website. Click on upload, select the file. I'll select the file, and you just have to click on install. Okay, this shows failed because I have already installed it. If you can see right here, I just need to activate it. So click on activate, and once the activation process has been completed, it's totally depend upon your internet speed. Mine is working on localhost, that's why it doesn't take that much of time. Okay, so once it is completed, you will see some notification, something like this, which says that you have to install some recommended plugins. Let me guide you what basically recommended plugins is. So basically, a website consists of multiple functionalities, and those functionality totally depends upon the plugin. If you want to search something, there will be search bar. If you want a slider, there will be a slider plugin. So if you want that some certain plugins work properly on your website, you need to have those plugins which has been recommended by your theme. So if you ever get notification or like pop up or something which says install recommended plugins, never ignore those messages. So let's start the installation and activation of this plugin. I have already installed them. It's totally same steps. You just need to bulk action install. I will just activate them for the time being. So as you can see, everything has been activated. Let me show you how our website looks right now. It's totally simple website, nothing much of a hassle, totally new, nothing special. Let's see our plugin has been installed successfully or not. Yes, most of our plugins has been installed in a really great manner. So it's time to import some demo content on our website. So on the left hand side you will see appearance, and under that you will see import demo content. Click. So as you can see, installation has been completed successfully and the import part has been completed also. So let's see how our website looks right now. Earlier it was used to be like a pretty simple website. Right now, if I try to visit our website, it will be totally amazing, right? If you can see, everything has been changed totally. This is a like animated slider section, and you get a customized menu bar also. And the slider section which you get, okay, if you scroll down you will get some services area and a little bit of service promoting area. Then here you will get a gallery, how the things work here, and a little bit of a client section whom you worked with, and a self-promoting section, and a bill, and a pretty classic footer with nothing too much of hassle work. So as you can see, with single click you can import the whole website without much of a hassle work, right? So at the end I just want to say, if you really want to download this theme, you can get the regular license for $60. Or if you're not sure that this theme is worth it or not for you, you can just come to our website and get it for $10 and just try and test it out, that it work for you or not. Uh, because we offer 7 days money back guarantee, you can just test it, and if you don't like, just get your money back. And if you are having a WordPress agency, or you're working as a freelancer WordPress developer, you can just get a membership plan with our website. The best plan is bronze plan, which will cost you around $250 for like 5 years. With the help of this plan, you will be able to download 3,600 items per year, which is totally amazing, because this site offers you more than 5,000 WordPress plugins and theme. Like, this is amazing, isn't it? And if you can't go and afford for this much amount, I would rather suggest you for go and try it out for $29 per month. This plan is also good because it will offer you 300 items download per month, which is quite affordable and decent price, right? So I hope you really like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next